How to fix YouTube app crashing or not loading on Android in 2026. Hello everyone! If your YouTube app is crashing, stuck on a loading screen, or won't open on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the official steps to get it running smoothly again. First, let's clear the app's temporary data. Open Settings, go to Apps, and find YouTube. Tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This fixes most glitches without deleting your history. Next, ensure your app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and hit Update if available. Latest versions include critical bug fixes. If it still isn't working, check your data usage settings to ensure the app has background data permissions enabled. Restart your phone and you should be good to go. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more official tech fixes.